Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to attach a ring to a necklace. These will be some easy steps in a very simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into this video. As you can see right here, I have this ring and we're going to attach it to this necklace. Now, first and foremost, obviously the easiest way, and you'll probably know this, but I'm going to show you anyways, the easiest way is just going to be to remove the necklace from your neck and attach the ring like that. So I can undo the clasp like this on the necklace, okay? I can remove the necklace and I can obviously thread the ring onto the necklace like this. I can just thread the ring onto the necklace, and then I can put the necklace back on like that. That's the first way. Obviously, you probably know that, but I figured I'd say it anyways. The next way is if you can keep the necklace on your neck. You can do it by keeping the necklace on your neck and then putting the ring on it. So just give me a moment. Let me get everything back in order here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the necklace back on my neck just like this. And I'm doing this reverse-handed. Usually I do it the other way around. So just give me a moment. I'm going to switch it around. We're going to put the necklace back on my neck. I'm going to put the necklace back on my neck, and then we're going to thread the ring through it. And you don't have to remove the necklace using this method. It's a really, really cool way. So just give me a moment. I'm going to deal with this clasp. I know this is sometimes hard to do, but I think I should be able to get it right now. There we go. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your necklace like this, get your ring, okay? And you're going to hold your ring in front of your necklace. You're going to take the necklace and feed the loop here through the inside of the ring and bring the necklace forward. So right now I'm holding the necklace, and as you can see, the ring is around the necklace like that, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this part that I'm holding at the front, okay? Check this out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it nice and big. I'm going to bring it behind the ring, and I'm going to push the ring forward and down while keeping this loop up here. Okay, and as you can see like that, we've just threaded the ring onto the necklace, and it's that simple. You can see you can pull it like this. It's good to go. Obviously, now, in order to remove it, you have to actually do the reverse of what you did. So that's how to attach a ring to a necklace easily. To remove it, you got to grab that loop that we got over here. Okay, and I'm going to bring the loop now in front of the ring because we brought it behind to attach it. We're going to bring it in front of the ring, and then I can just slide the ring out of it again, just like that. That's it. That is how to attach a ring to a necklace. Easy steps in a simple tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up as I run out of breath. So yeah, once again, I got my breath now back. So if you like this video tutorial and you like my chain, I never wear this chain, so I figured I'd wear it for this video tutorial. But anyways, if you like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.